Now, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different today, guys. I am not opening a sneaker mystery box. Today is actually a clothing mystery unboxing because I actually got this huge thing right here. Like, check this thing out. This is the big box. But it was actually from a company that reached out and said, hey, we want to send you a mystery box of clothing. So I said, sure, why not? I love mystery boxes, as you guys know, so we couldn't deny that. I also have a couple other clothing pickups for you guys today, but obviously we're most excited for that. So if you guys want to see that unboxing, then stay tuned. It's coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have basically a clothing haul for you guys, man. I got this right here, I got this right here. We got that big box. So different than our usual sneaker content, but I mean, honestly, clothing is just as important as sneakers, man. Like, whatever you throw on your feet, you really want to have good clothing to match with that. So these first two are actually things that I picked up recently. This one is actually from TravisScott.com. I know I'm talking about like hype clothing and stuff, and then I'm like, oh, okay, let's check out Travis Scott merch. Let's see what we got. This is actually two pieces that I should have got a long time ago, but it came in kind of late. Now, these shirts were actually released to kind of commemorate the Look Mom, I Can Fly documentary that was released on Netflix. I actually watched it. I'm not a huge fan of Travis Scott, but I watched it and it was a really good documentary. Really learned a lot about like his creative process and just really what his like audience thinks about him. So I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, I decided to cop this merch. I'm not going to be keeping it for myself, but it will be up on the web store because I know a lot of people want these shirts, but it's hard to cop online for retail. So you guys can see back here, Look Mom, I Can Fly. Has like a flaming skeleton. I mean, I don't know. That one's, it's pretty graphic. The second one is a little bit more chill. Cactus Jack on the front. And then on the back, it has, okay, maybe not that chill. It's got a screaming Travis Scott face right here. I don't know, but yeah, again, people love his style. So that's why I caught both of these. These will be on the web store, untiedhawaii.com, if you guys want to check it out. Oh, okay. So these are a little bit better, and these are a lot more hype in my opinion. Now, this merch was actually the collab merch to go with the Jordan 6 drop for the Cactus Jacks. So let me open this up for you guys. This one is the t-shirt. Okay, much higher quality shirt right here, dude. This feels very premium. Has Jordan on the back with Travis over here. I really like the shirt too. I mean, it's Jordan brand, it's Cactus Jack. This one is actually something that I think I would keep for personal. If you guys are wondering like where I copped this from, this was actually caught from Travis's website during the Jordan 6 drop. I wasn't able to cop the shoes, unfortunately, for retail, but I was able to cop the clothing, which is also like a good thing because these have insane resale value for a couple of these pieces. And so the other one over here, I believe is like $150 at retail. Insane prices again. All right, these don't look as good as I thought they were gonna be. Yeah, I was thinking I was gonna keep this for the personal. I'm thinking that I have to change my mind on that now. Definitely would match really well with the Jordan 6 Travis Scott though. We also copped this right here. I'm not gonna open this one up because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. This is the Cactus Jack hoodie though. You guys can see over here, Travis Scott Altered Jumpman logo. I'll put it up on the screen as well so you guys can see it closer. Wish I copped the shoes though instead for retail. These are still nice though. Good runner up basically. And so this box was actually sent through Fat Goose. And I think FAT is actually an acronym for Arctic temperatures, which means it's winter wear, it's cold clothing. And I'm actually really excited that they reached out because I will be heading to Japan this winter, and I know if you guys live in Japan that it's gonna be very, very cold. And obviously I'm a Hawaii kid, I'm not too familiar with winter wear. Like, it's summer year round over here for us. I don't really know like what to cop, and I don't know like what is considered like warm and like how much layers I need to dress in and stuff. So that's why it was like perfect that Fat Goose reached out to send out this box of like winter wear stuff. So let's see what we got, man. I'm not sure what I should be expecting in here, but I'm guessing a lot of heavy coats and whatnot. On the top over here, this is kind of neat. This looks like a pillowcase, I think. It says Fat Goose right here. This is kind of cool, very unique. I would never expect to see a pillowcase in here. Oof, dang, man. So the first one that we have is definitely a big item. Whoa, dude, and this thing is so clean. What the heck? This is fire. Oh man, this is really high quality too. Holy F, this is warm. Yo, this is some premium stuff right here, dude. Check this thing out. This is fire, and this is so dang comfortable. So I'm not sure if you guys have heard of Fat Goose before, but this is premium stuff, dude. Like, cannot believe the quality of this jacket, and it definitely looks like it'll keep me warm. Can't believe this, man. This is like a very luxury kind of item. Okay, so let me pull it up on the website actually so I can figure out what exactly we're wearing. I do want to be like very well informed of what we have on and just the quality and like the craftsmanship that goes into it. So this piece right here looks like it's called the Norden men's hooded bomber jacket, and it looks like it's in that charcoal colorway. So I'll read it from the website. The Norden bomber has 700 fill powder white goose down, 2 fleece lined hand warmer chest pockets with snap button enclosures that combined provide optimal cold weather resistance. And honestly, like, again, I'm not an expert of winter. You guys are thinking like Untied Hawaii opening winter clothes. It doesn't really make sense, but I'm happy that Triple Fat Goose is like an expert, it looks like, in winter wear and outerwear clothing. So this looks insane quality, dude. Like, honestly, I know I'm hyping it up a lot, but this is very comfortable and just super, super stylish. Anyway, this is one of the items that's in here. I want to check out what else we got in this box because it does look like we have one more piece under another pillowcase. This is my favorite thing from this unboxing, dude. I love this. Anyway, it looks like there is one more piece in here. Oh, shoot. There's also a note in here. I should have probably opened that up first. It's personalized. So sick. I'm so bad, man. I should have saw that note first. Hi, Bryson. I want to first thank you for your interest in trying out Triple Fat Goose. We sincerely appreciate you giving our products a chance. I've included some notes about our brand and the jacket, which you might find helpful for reference. So originally, it looks like Triple Fat Goose was a brand founded in the 80s, 1987, and is based in New Jersey, USA. And like I was looking on the website, FAT stands for 4 Arctic temperatures, and in keeping with our name, our parkas are recognized as being some of the warmest jackets. And after opening that first one, I can tell. That thing was comfortable and insanely warm. Jackets are currently available online. We do not have any retail locations. This is how we are able to offer premium luxury jackets at lower cost than our competitors. So if you guys do want to check it out, it looks like it's triplefatgoose.com. The jacket that we sent are the Berkshire and the Norden, so it was a good thing that it looked at the Norden. And then it gives a rundown of the Norden, which I already did. And it also says the Berkshire features on here as well. So let me take a look at what the Berkshire one is. What the heck? Yo, this one is all in leather? What? Yo, dude, what? I can't even speak. This thing is fire. Like, look at that inner lining. Look at that craftsmanship, dude. That's insane. Put this on real quick, man. How do I look, guys? This looks freaking premium and, again, very, very comfortable. I know for Japan, this is gonna be perfect, man. Like, this thing feels like it's trapping in heat very, very well. And just a very nice cut. Let me stand up for you guys real quick. Definitely like super, super comfortable and just super stylish, man. I feel really nice in this thing. And it is very premium materials. Like, it just doesn't feel cheap at all. And so for the Berkshire right here, it does look like 700 fill power rating, 12 ounces of down. That's a lot. Inner chest pocket, retro accessories, and wrist cuffs. Same style as our 80s and 90s jackets. And also that Triple Fat Goose black and white contrast lining pattern. So I saw on the website when I was looking it up actually that they recently had like an 80s collection where, yes, they did like throwback kind of looks. And if you guys want to look it up on the screen over here, these look pretty fire as well. I would have been super stoked to see any of these actually inside of the mystery box, but I'm happy with what we got. These go hard, man. Like, these colors definitely bring out that retro vibe and look just very stylish as well. And if they're made with the same quality as this and that Norden, then I'm expecting big things from those as well. Once again, thank you for your support. I sincerely look forward to seeing your videos. Best wishes, Charles. So thank you, Charles, and the Triple Fat Goose team, man. Like, this is insane. I can't believe the quality of this product and just how perfect timing it was that they reached out to send over this stuff. So I'm gonna definitely be bringing both of these when I go to Japan and doing all of my like sneaker vlogging, my Hypebeast vlogging. It's gonna be super sick, so check that out. And again, check out Triple Fat Goose. This is not a paid sponsorship. I am just very, very happy with the products that I got. And it was just really nice seeing that they sent over some cool fitting outfits, man. Like, this is sick. Dude, I'm really just super grateful, man. I can't believe this. This is so sick. Like, these are some premium quality stuff, dude. I'm so blessed, dude. Like, I'm just so blessed. Anyway, before I get too like sentimental and stuff, thank you again to Charles. Thank you again to Triple Fat Goose. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, highly recommend you guys check it out. Winter is fast approaching, guys, if not already here. Don't forget to pick up your own Triple Fat Goose jackets. It'll bring the style and also the warmth as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you guys in December. And you guys will see me rocking this stuff in December as well. So stay tuned for that, as well as the mystery boxes and stuff, of course. Shoots!